Anyone would like to come and take this challenge?
I am on that goal. I am also consistent with my goal. I decided in 6th class.
Study carefully and
Don't stop. Don't stop, wire. Continue. She is going to discuss, and all of you are going to participate in this. Why only doctors, engineers, and lawyers?
if we make consistency,
Why are you
so we
stop? Don't
can
stop.
Because when passion is your profession, you actually enjoy your profession.
टॉपिक टॉपिक ऐसा दिया है क्या? टॉपिक दिया, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? All are doing great. Okay, so today this is another class with confidence building activity. In today's class, we are again going to put ourselves in situations where our confidence level is tested, and we need to encounter different situations and discover ourselves or discover our potential of public speaking. Public speaking is all about fearless approach. You need to have fearless approach. People looking at you must not confuse you. People staring at you must not affect your performance. So this is all we need to practice in today's class. So first of all, I would like to invite who? Anyone? Anyone would like to come and take this challenge? Anyone who would like to come and take the challenge? Let me call the name. Let's clap for Sabira. Let's clap for Sabira. Yes, Sabira, you come forward. Are you ready for this challenge? Yes? Speak confidently. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Are you confident? Can we start? I will be disturbing you in the middle of your performance. I'll be disturbing you, but you don't need to be distracted. Okay? Do not just get distracted as quickly. Just remain, just calm down and continue to perform. Continue to perform confidently. Fine. So Sabira is going to talk about. Can anyone assign me any topic for her? Can you suggest me any topic? Yes. Wait. Yes, Mr. Rao.
Sir, career counseling.
Career counseling. Okay, career counseling. Sabira, how important career counseling is? Like, if I explain this topic to you, career counseling is all about how do you plan your career? What are you going to do after completion of your studies? How are you going to plan your career? How are you going to pursue your career, your dream, something you want to be in life? So how important career counseling is? Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Sabira Amir here, and today I'm gonna speak on career counseling. So let's begin it. So first of all, what is career counseling? So career counseling is very important for us, and it is like if we have complete our metrics, so we know our goals. We must make our goals and our aims. That what should we what should we do in our aim in our future, and what is my aim? If we think that it is my aim, so we can study within a carefully. So we should first make our aim, so we can do our study carefully, and
Don't stop. Don't stop, wire. Continue. Don't
career
stop.
counseling is that we are making our goals for our future, that we think that we can do it. If we think that it is very important for us,
Don't stop. Don't lose your confidence. You don't have to lose your confidence. Stay focused. Focus your audience.
so
Focus
we
your
know
audience.
about our aim, so we can do hard work, and if we do hard work, so we can get our goals. And if we pray to Allah, and if we do our work in our patience, if we do our work with hard working, so we can get our goals. So first, if we want anything, if we want our aim, so we must make our mind. We must have consistency. So consistency is very important. If we make consistency,
Why are you
so
stop? Don't stop.
we can achieve our goals. It is very important. And hardworking, we should do hardworking. If we do hardworking, so we can definitely
Touch other
get-
aspects. Discuss other aspects of career counseling. It's okay. This one is done. Touch other aspects of it. No matter. Think what could be other possible things to talk about in career counseling. It's okay. Think. You can think right now. Think and speak. It's okay. No matter if you still think you are doubtful. Okay, what should I say? Take your time and speak. Career counseling. Let me just help you out. If I would like to be a doctor, for example, or I would like to be an engineer, I would like to be a lawyer, how can I plan my career? How should be, what should be my strategy? What should be my strategy? For example, what you want to be in your life? Doctor. You want to be doctor. Why you want to be a doctor? Number one, why did you pick this field? And number two, how are you going to get it? Shabash. Good. How are you going to get it? How are you going to become a doctor? What steps will you be following? What steps? What are the steps?
So if I want to be a doctor, so first I will make my mind that I want to make this thing, and I must achieve this thing. So first I make my mind, and second I should do hard working, and third thing I should think that I want to be this. So I should do study in a very carefully way. And second thing, we shouldn't care about the people that what are they thinking and what are they saying that I want to be a doctor and I shouldn't be a doctor. We shouldn't care about the
look at these all guys. Look at them and speak.
we shouldn't
Look at
care
them, look
about
at
the
them.
society that what are they thinking and what should they thinking. We should just focus on our goals and on ourselves, and we should focus that what I want to achieve and what I should achieve, and just pray for Allah. Pray to Allah.
Pray
that,
to Allah.
Pray to Allah that I want to be this, and just do and just do
Just do what?
and just do.
Do what? Just do what?
आपने topic कैसे दिया?
टॉपिक ही ऐसा दिया है क्या? टॉपिक दिया, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. Career counseling, everybody knows about it. It's easy. It's easiest, one of the easiest topics to talk about. Please, career counseling.
So we shouldn't care about the people, and we should just focus on our goal.
Okay, let me ask you, when should I decide my career? At what time or at what stage should I decide my career? When I am in 10th standard or in intermediate? When should I decide? What is that exact time?
So according to me, that we
In
should,
my point of view.
in my point of view, we should decide our goals in 9th class and in 9th
In
yeah,
9th standard.
in 9th standard, yeah, after
Mike.
and after metric. So we should make our mind that I want to be this, and I should.
Do you agree? She's saying in 9th class we should decide our career. Anyone would like to respond? Please. Anyone would like to respond? Is she right? Is she correct? Anyone would like to respond? What do you think personally? At what stage should someone decide his or her career? What is that stage? In 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard? When? No idea? Okay, Mr. Ahmed.
Sir, in my point of view, we have to build our mind in our junior classes. When we were in second standard, third standard, fifth standard, sixth standard.
You listen to him. You have to reply him.
When we are in our junior classes, so we have to build our mind that I want to be this. So I can do hard work. I can do hard work with consistency in my secondary classes. So that's why we have to build our mind in our junior classes.
Junior classes.
So in my point, I don't think that we should make our mind in junior classes. We are not mature on that time, and
We are too young.
we are too young on that time. And how can we make our mind, and we don't know
So
about our goals?
you
and
can
how
do anything. If we have no mind, if we have no strong mind, so how can we become
But in
anything?
but in that age, how can we think? How can we think that I want to be
I
this?
thought
Don't give.
if I talk about majority of the boys, they thought in the second junior classes. They decide what he want to be,
What he wants to be.
what he wants to become in his life or their life.
I don't think that they are still on that goal that they think in the junior classes. I don't think they
I am all-
definitely change their goal.
I am
that
on
want to
that
be a
goal.
doctor, and after
I am
that I want to be a
I am
engineer.
also consistent with my goal. I decided in 6th class. So
I
what do you think about it?
Every person is not like you. Every person is not like you.
So but majority follows their dream.
Sure, we don't know about the in majority of.
So
people, we don't-
I am talking that we have to just build our mind in the junior stages. So if when we will mature, so we have to do hard work, or we will do knowledge. We will take knowledge about it.
Okay, all right. Now the next point to discuss in career counseling is she is going to discuss, and all of you are going to participate in this. Whenever we ask youngsters, what is your dream? What you want to be in life? They answer few. They mention few professions. Number one is girls want to be doctor, boys want to be engineers, and if you ask some other youngster, they would call I want to be lawyer. Why don't we choose or pick other professions? What is the reason behind this? Why other professions don't fascinate us? Why we don't have that fascination? Any reason? Yes, first you answer this question. Why only doctors, engineers, and lawyers? Why not entrepreneurs, businessmen, businesswomen, building your business, teaching? Why not?
a majority.
Why only doctors, engineers, and lawyers?
Majority of people. think
Mic,
that-
mic, mic, mic.
Majority of people think that I want to be a doctor and I want to be an engineer. They don't think that I want to. They don't think they don't think I want to be a business. They don't think that I should do this thing.
I
They
should
think
run my business.
I should run my business. They
I
think
should be a boss.
I should be a boss.
Why don't they think like this? I should be a boss. People don't like to be boss.
I don't know about the people.
You don't know about the people, but on a general perspective,
Yes.
what do you say?
So they should think that I want to be a boss. I want to run a business. I should do the business. They are thinking I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. So according to me, they shouldn't think about it.
Anybody would like to say something on this, please? Yes. Yes.
Sir, basically, I think it is lack of knowledge or lack of awareness. They okay. According, in my point of view, that it is lack of knowledge or lack of awareness. They think that if they should become doctor or engineer, and if they will become, so they can earn higher income, or they can get higher income, or they can earn higher income. But they don't know that it is also a good profession. And if I talk about business, so people think that only richest people can do business. We are poor people and we can't invest money. We cannot do business. Only it is the work of richest people, and only richest people can do this. It is, in my point of view, it is somehow lack of awareness. And mostly people think that if we will become doctor and engineer, so we can earn a higher income as compared to other professions.
Yes, it is also the
Garib people.
Yes.
yes, they are not thinking that I want to be this. They think that I want to be. They think that I want to be this, and the richest people can run their business, and I can't. They are not believing themselves that I can also do this thing. They think
They don't
that,
have.
yes,
They don't believe on themselves.
Yes,
they
they
don't
don't
have
believe on
confidence on
themselves.
themselves. That's why.
Themselves. They don't have
Themselves.
confidence.
They don't have
in themselves.
in themselves.
Yes. Just okay. Thank you. Anybody else from here? Mr. Rauf.
You said business and business jobs and anything, but you said I'm not agree in this thing, because if I talk about,
I don't agree.
I don't agree, because if I talk about the main reason, there is awareness. Pakistan hasn't career counseling, because parents always prefer a doctor, engineer, because they heard that doctor earn this amount of money, engineer earn this amount of money. That's why they prefer, because they didn't know that there is a dream and there is a passion, because there are lots of passion in Pakistan. Most of the majority of the parents prefer doctor and engineer because of they heard. That's why it's not all about the business, poor, rich. It's all about awareness.
passion.
Yeah, it's all about passion.
Passion. Okay, should passion be our profession? Should passion be our profession, or passion and profession should be different? This also falls in the same category of career counseling. Sabira, you can go back. G, anyone? She will continue the discussion. Should passion and profession be same or different? What's your take on this? Anyone? What's your take on this? Passion and profession. My passion is, for example, singing. Should I become a singer? Should singing be my profession in rest of my life? Yes? Please.
Actually, I agree with the fact that passion should be your profession, because when passion is your profession, you actually enjoy your profession, and it's not gonna be like a job to you anymore. It's going to be a fun. You will enjoy doing that, and it's not going to pressure your life. That is the reason I believe that passion should be profession. And why people are not following the passion, it is because we are lacking career counseling in our society. The thing is, it's not only about the money. You said everybody wants to have money. It's not only about money, because I have doctors in my own family, and I know that doctors do not earn that much that we imagine. Many people, or my own cousin is earning more than them, more than doctors, and he's doing freelancing, he's doing online business. So the thing is, it's actually the society projections that happen in our environment. They have a greater like status of those professions. They make them like a success, like a achievement. If you pass MD-CAT, you will be considered as a genius person. They will consider you as you have achieved something so good. You are like one in a million, because everybody is going through those. If you see in this year, there are thousands of people who have registered, and just a few people have selected for just few seats. So it's actually not only about money, but it's actually how your society sees those professions that make those professions like a success or achievement.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Very good. Very nice. Anybody else? Yes. Should passion be profession? Should we select or should we choose our profession, or should we choose our career just based on money? That we want to make money in life? Yes, just we want to make money. Is that all we have? Just money? We want to earn money. If I want to be a doctor, I want to earn money. I want to be an engineer, I want to earn money.
Yes.
Should this be mindset, or is this mindset okay? What do you say?
It's not okay. And we shouldn't think like this, that we are just achieving our goals for money. That we have achieved our goals. So I will just make money. I will just earn money. They are thinking I will just earn money. They are making their goal just for money. They are choosing those goals. Those goals can give them handsome amounts of money. It is not good. We shouldn't think like this.
Okay, thank you very much. Clap for Sabira, everyone. Thank you very much for your time.